Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone setting up a mini-split air conditioner, the HANSUM 100ft electrical wire. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, this product promises to make your installation smoother than ever. Stick around as we uncover why this is the best mini-split wire available in the market right now. Mini-split air conditioners are a fantastic solution for cooling specific areas without the need for extensive ductwork. However, setting them up can be a challenge without the right wiring. Enter the HANSUM 100ft electrical wire. This versatile cable is designed with efficiency and durability in mind, making it an ideal choice for connecting both outdoor and indoor units seamlessly. Crafted from oxygen-free copper with EPDM insulation, this wire is not only durable but also handles a wide range of temperatures from -20 to 105, ensuring reliability in various climates. Its flexibility allows for easy installation, whether you're running it through walls or bending it around corners. It's designed to be cut to size, catering perfectly to your specific installation needs. Rated for 300 volts, this wire isn't just for mini-split air conditioners. It's suitable for a range of low-voltage applications including LED lighting, speakers, and automotive projects, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Tested for long-term durability and UL certified, you can trust this wire to perform consistently over time. Whether you're upgrading your current mini-split setup or embarking on a new installation project, the HANSUM 100ft electrical wire is a smart investment. Its durability, versatility, and ease of use make it a standout choice for professionals and DIYers alike. That wraps up our review of the HANSUM 100ft electrical wire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy wiring!